Scoring allows you to get a clean, sharp fold when working with thicker paper such as cardstock. By using folds in your project, you can add texture or make dimensional pieces like boxes. There are a few different tools you can use to score paper. A scoring board is a grooved board that allows you to score paper at various intervals. It's a great tool when precision is needed or when you need to make a series of parallel lines. Use a scoreboard to make accordion folds easily. Most scoreboards will come with a dull plastic knife to run along the grooves to create the folds in your paper. Once your score lines are in place, crease along the folds to create sharper folds. You can also create score lines using a ruler and a dull object like this ballpoint scoring stylus. Use your ruler to maintain a straight line as you apply pressure with the scoring stylus. You can also use a craft knife and a ruler to cut through the top layer of the material fibers. Apply very light pressure or use a blade that has been dulled from repeated use.